So I got these two cast iron pans from a flea market yesterday. I'm going to try and get all of that rust off. Let's see if what some of the suggestions given to me will work. First, we're gonna try some kosher salt and my Scrub Daddy sponge. I'm gonna pour some of this concoction on there. The water stayed at the top and all the good stuff stayed at the bottom. Let's see. So I'm gonna leave a little bit in here so that I can do the bottom of the pan and then scrub. I don't know. Oh, I mean, it looks a little better. Can it be working? All right, let's rinse this off just to look at it. It did a good job. I mean, there's still some, but maybe I just didn't get my elbow into that little section. Nope. This isn't doing what I thought it was gonna do. What I really wanted it to do, what I was really hoping it would do. I mean, it got a lot of it off, but there's still some signs of little rust spots. See, right here. I mean, for the most part, it did okay, but right here, there's still, I think it just needs more of the concoction on there. I don't know. So attempt number 2 with the baking soda. I mean, it's better, right? The final product. They are beautiful. It's hard to tell with the lighting in here, but cleaned, seasoned, super hot because I just pulled them out of the oven, but they are ready to go. Yay! Attempt number 3, which was the vinegar and water solution. That was it. Vinegar water bath, scrub, and they're good to go.